Cooking in the classroom is at the heart of the Small Bites program. Not only does it give students hands-on experience preparing healthy meals, it allows them to take ownership of what they eat. In this video, we'll cover 3 things you can do to make your classroom cooking experience the best it can be. They are: clean and organize the classroom, organize your students, and manage the process. Before we go on, it should be pointed out that no stoves or knives are required to cook a Small Bites recipe. All the recipes can be safely prepared in the classroom using simple kitchen tools like spatulas and mixing bowls. The only appliance you might need is a refrigerator for perishable ingredients like fresh fruit or yogurt. Other than that, most recipes use ingredients you can store in the classroom prior to a lesson. With that in mind, let's talk about the first step you and your students need to take before you start cooking: prepping the classroom. You'll want to start by sanitizing all the desks and any other surfaces you're going to use to prepare the food. Household cleaning solutions and sanitizing wipes should be all you need. After everything is wiped down, divide your class into cooking teams of 4 to 5 students each. You can give each team their ingredients ahead of time or create a pantry station at the front of the room. The main idea is to organize things in such a way that students will be able to read the recipe, measure and mix ingredients, and serve each other at their cooking station. Once a cooking lesson is underway, all that's left for you to do is manage the process. Ideally, you'll want to let the students prepare the recipes on their own. However, there are a few procedures you can put in place to help everything go safely and smoothly. For starters, require students to wash their hands before handling any food and after the lesson is over. Also remind them to wash their hands if they ever leave their station to use the restroom or get something from a locker. Depending on the makeup of your class, you may want to pre-assign tasks for each student on a team. For instance, one student can measure, one can mix, one can serve, and another can be in charge of cleanup. On the next lesson, you can have students switch roles so everyone on the team gets a chance to participate. Also, encourage students to wait until everyone has been served before eating their creations. Another useful management tip is to clean as you go. This will minimize the mess that's left behind after the cooking lesson is over. As you can see, if you take the right steps, cooking in the classroom with Small Bites can be safe, fun, and instructive. To quickly recap, those steps are: clean and organize the room, organize your students, and manage the process. This video is just an overview of a Small Bites cooking lesson. Everything you've seen here is described in greater detail in the Small Bites curriculum materials instructors are provided. If you'd like to learn more about Small Bites, please watch the rest of the videos in this series or explore our online resources at commonbites.org.